Hello guys, we'll see how to install Vagrant. Uh, Open your favorite browser, type Vagrant download. So there'll be a Vagrant site, vagrant.com. Click on downloads, then it'll take you to the download. So choose whichever the operating system on which you wanted to install Vagrant. So you can click, so I'm installing on Windows 64-bit. So I can click on download. So this will take some time guys. So what I have done is, so I have already downloaded. So this is the Vagrant installer, Windows installer. So guys, why we need Vagrant? So if you wanted to create a virtual box, so we have a virtual box. So to work Vagrant, we have to have a virtual box. That is a precondition. So what we need to do is first we have to install the Vagrant. So that if you want to know how to install VirtualBox, please watch my video which I have created, VirtualBox installation. So Vagrant required the VirtualBox first. So what Vagrant will do is Vagrant will automate the things. You don't need to go to VirtualBox and create the Windows or whatever the operating virtual machine which you want. So Vagrant, if you tell what to do, Vagrant will install it for you. So mainly where it will be very handy is, let's say you are a developer, you have done some application, you have tested in your certain environment. So you wanted to share the same to the other fellow developer. So this will come very handy. So you just give it the Vagrant file and the code where what he has to do. The same environment you can test it. So let us install Vagrant. So double click on this installer. So click next, accept. These are the MIT license. So click next. So by default it will be putting into C drive, HashiCorp and then Vagrant. So I don't want to change it. Let it be there. Then click install. It will take some few minutes. So by that it will be done. So meanwhile guys, to work on Vagrant, simultaneously we need a commander or using like putty. So we can download that as well. So go to our favorite browser, type commander, type commander cmder, and then you will be able to see the first commander.net. Go to commander.net. So it will not be an installer guys. So you go to downloads little below. It'll have a zip file. Just click on this. It will download a zip. So I have already downloaded it. So I have a zip. This you just extract it here. So I'm gonna extract here. So meanwhile, my installation is going on the Vagrant. So I am going to extract this. And then, so where I am going to extract, here only I am going to extract. So here it got extracted. So this is the commander, so which we have to open once we install the once the Vagrant installation is complete. Guys, if you see it, it is done. So the installation is done. You can click on finish. So it will ask you to restart your system for configuration changes made to the Vagrants to take effect. Click yes to restart. So I can click on yes.